while I'm ginning around in here, I thought I'd just trim up the map sensor hose. Let's see if I can get in a bit closer so you can have a look. See, it's a bit perished just on that corner right there. What I'm going to do for the time being is I'm just going to trim that up and put it back in, and I'll buy some new hose and replace it. It goes down to a little filter, and the sensor's actually up the back here, the wiring right there. This is a zippy tie fitting here, done by a very reputable diesel tuning mob on the Sunshine Coast. It's part of their fitting of the front mount intercooler quite a few years ago. To see if I can give you a better look at this, the perishing, you just see it in the rubber there. Showed a bit of hose the other day, some video, hopefully it's up by now, from between the plenum chamber and the map sensor. I'll show you where the map sensor is. I've unplugged it, I've unbolted it. There's a filter in between. Probably won't find anywhere in the Toyota manual service thing that says to replace it. We'll cut it open and have a look. But the hose was a bit perished, so I thought good time to replace the hose. So I got the hose, and today I picked up the new filter as well. The filter's about 70 bucks. The hoses are, I got 2 bits of hose, only need one. They're about 12 bucks each or something. But I'll put the new filter on and the new hoses, and we'll cut this open and I'll bring you back then, eh? Let's hit cut. This white side, where the white is, that's map sensor side, and the scroll side's engine side. So the filter's closer towards the map sensor. I'll just pull it out and we'll have a look. There's a filter right there. Well, I've come out into the sun. I'm guessing that was supposed to be white. You can see it's a little bit dirty, particularly in the centre there, it's a little bit grey. The other side's a different colour. Now, if these block up, they give you a false reading for your map sensor, and likely your ECU will think that you're not generating as much boost when you need it, and it'll probably try and supply you more fuel to make up for it. Have I heard about them blocking out before? No. Have I heard about them creating problems? No. There is a fault code. Well, that's replaced anyhow, so new map sensor filter.